Hello, hello. Here we are again, out and about for the food and drinks. We're gonna go to a pub. Let's see if we get there and find some table and something to eat and drink as well. It's always a challenge because we are out here a bit late in the night. I mean, I won't say night, but let's say evening. It's 9:45. Enjoy the weather and quietness, as most of the shops have closed, but few are open still, like this one, Gurkha, and what is this, Ecovino is open. What is this? Is it a restaurant? Some drinking place, got a lot of bottles. This is open, the Malt Shovel Food and Pub. This is open too. Oh, it's the same one. So never mind. Ah, here it is. There's where we go. Devil's Advocate in Advocate Close. Where is it? In the apartments? But arrow says this way. Huh? No, arrow is saying this way. There is arrow. Come. There should be a hidden path. Here we go. Through the hidden alleyways of Edinburgh. That's what Edinburgh is known for. All its stairs, alleyways, and architecture. Here it is. Let's get in. Have a look at signs. Yeah, as always. So, bit unlucky again. There was food but no table. There are a few things that need to match before you can find a place to eat, drink, and sit. On the way back, I think we can go to the one I saw. It was open, and I think they had tables as well. We can go to this one. We can go to this one. So let's try the Malt Shovel. It looks like they have space, but what looks from outside may not be the case inside. They may have the kitchen closed. Let's have a look. Where is the entrance? Is this the entrance? Yeah? Yeah? Alright, so yeah, again, they had table, but the food is not available anymore. So we need to find something else. We can go to the Gurkha. It was a cafe and restaurant.
Gurkha, where is it?
It is here.
More, there is everywhere cafe and restaurant, but kitchen is closed.
Kitchen is closed.
I will ask. This is more of a Nepalese or Indian, I think, so they will work. This is a. They will be closed as a. This one will be open. But I don't know whether they will have drinks or not.
Okay. Thank you. After the megalodon.
There is a good balance between time and
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Let's try this one.
Break a cuisine and
They have table access outside, but do they have? Yeah, it's a Nepalese one like what we had yesterday.
Um,
Do we want the same thing or we should try some different? No, right?
I prefer
Yeah.
that.
Let's go.
So we're gonna have a look around on a Google. What are the possibilities? Because our plan A, B, C all failed. There is this one, La Locanda Italian Bistro. They have already stacked their chairs, so I doubt. Have their time mentioned or not? But do they have their time mentioned? Whether they are open, close? He's coming. Hi there. Is it still open or closed?
It's closed.
Closed. All right. No problem. Thank you.
Sorry.
We can try here. Hello, sir.
Hi, how
Are
are you?
you still open, closed?
Yeah, of course. Please come in.
Come in. Come in. Come in.
Huh?
It's a kitchen, so.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah.
of course. Is it
Three of us, yeah.
No problem.
What's the best place to sit?
Table over here for you guys.
All right. Yeah, this is good. Looks good. Here we
Please
are.
grab a seat.
Here comes my wrap, hummus and falafel. Milkshake is yet to arrive, but yeah, I'm gonna wait for that. We'll continue to enjoy the food. Milkshake has arrived as well. It is Martinez milkshake, which looks quite a huge glass. So looks good. All right, that was a lovely dinner at what's the name? Scran Cafe and Bistro. And yeah, very nice wrap and the milkshake. Now it's still spitting. What the hell? But the good thing is now I'm gonna go to the hostel and to the bed, straight into the bed, nowhere else, and have some rest. So hope you guys enjoyed this little hunt, food hunt. See you next time.